to GearHead Garage. You know, if you guys are into fishing and, golf, that type of thing, everybody's got their own little secrets. If you're a fishing guy, you probably got that little honey hole that you like to fish that you don't really want to share with your friends. Same with golf. You probably got a course that you like to play that's not really well known from anybody else, and you don't want those guys to know about it because, hey, they're going to go out and do some tee times and kind of make that course a little more busy than you'd like it to be. Same way with our GearHeads. So somebody just whizzed on by here. We kind of hold some of those secrets close to our vest too. We don't like to share those with a lot of people, but there is one thing that we do like to share, and that's when we find a track that we like, because we like to have other gearheads join us and have some fun on the track. So today I'm at Dakota County Technical College, right in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. It's kind of one of those hidden gems that not a lot of people know about. So it'd be kind of nice if you guys did know about it. So that's what I'm going to do today, is just kind of give you guys a little preview of what's happening here at Dakota County. It's a facility that's used heavily by not only high-performance driving people, car clubs, and that type of thing, but also the EVOC people, which is the law enforcement people, use it for training. They use it for training for fire trucks. CDL drivers use it. So on Monday, there might be cement trucks out here driving around. On Tuesdays, there's probably a Porsche GT3 buzzing around the track. The good thing about it is actually right here in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. So it's close to everybody. You're in a 30 to 45 minute drive to get here. Come in the morning. High performance driving school lasts for a day. You're home for evening with your family. So you can't beat that. The Gary Curtis driving experience is here today. And I'm going to grab one of their instructors, get into his vehicle, take a couple laps around the track, and kind of give you a bird's eye view of what this track is about. I think a lot of people think that, oh, this is just a smaller track, not much going on. But the way they have this thing configured, you can get close to 100 miles an hour on the straightaway. And if you've got big enough brakes, maybe even over 100 miles an hour. So, with that said, you can see we've got some guys actually getting ready to go out. Here they go. So it should be a kind of a good deal. Let's see what's happening here. Like I said, I'm going to jump into one of the instructor's vehicles. But first, give you a little preview of actually what we're going to be taking out on the track here. Muscle car, US made. Big high horsepower V8 motor, rear wheel drive, and a rather heavy vehicle. But it has big brakes, which you'll see when we're out on the track on how that's going to operate. And also what kind of horsepower this thing has as you start to come out of the corner and accelerate into that straightaway. Hey, we're with Chris Anderson here this afternoon with the Gary Curtis driving experience, who's going to give us a short tour around the 1.3 14-turn track at Dakota County Technical College. As soon as we get around a couple of the corners here, we're going to be coming down through that straightaway, and we'll start the narration of how we're doing down this straightaway at Dakota County Technical College. And here we go. Nice straightaway here at Dakota County. We can get some speed up. Coming down into a short chicane here where you're going to kind of slope a little bit. Hit two apexes, and then down this nice long straightaway. You'll see pretty soon we're coming up to some corner markers here where Chris is going to start applying the brake. Brake, brake, brake. He's looking for that apex on turn number 1 here. As he comes into the corner, looks for that apex. It's way around to the side there. There it is. As he gets that apex, comes up to a short chicane here. It's a quick right-hander, a quick left-hander, up a little bit of elevation, and then down this back straightaway. It's a nice speed here. Again, brake markers 3 and 2. Starting to apply the brake. You can see in this big heavy car, he's putting a lot of weight down on that front end. Gives him a lot of traction going into these sharp corners in the backside here. Nice left corner, downshift, doing all that in a nice straight line. Up to a little short chute. Another left-hander looking for that apex right down there in the corner. Up to another right-hand turn. Another quick little apex right there. Now we're coming onto another one. up to another right-hander, a pretty sharp one right here. Good job, hit that apex perfect. Back up with the left-hander, coming back up to another right-hander. Now we're back down that straightaway again. Apex, let the car unwind down this straightaway, and we're back down to lap number 2. Nice little apex here, nice little chicane, nice cadence through there, down to a nice long straightaway here at Dakota County. And coming into those brake markers, 3, 2, 1, downshift brake, looking for that apex, which is way around the corner on this nice little carousel turn here. It's right there. Chris hit it perfect. We're up to a nice right-hander and then a left-hander. Again, it's a 1.3 mile course here in Dakota County. Nice back straightaway here where you get some speed up. Coming into those brake markers again. 3, 2, 1. Nice time to hit the brake. Set up for that apex. Perfect. Nice little short shoot here in the back. Up to a left-hander here. Coming down to that apex cone again, double apex, there it is right there. Up to short shoot, another left-hand turn. You can feel when Chris gets on the acceleration how the back end of this Camaro likes to squat down and really come out of those corners hard. Another turn right here. Nice little S series right down through the back part of the course here. And we're back up to the beginning. Well, there you have it, everybody. 2 laps around the Dakota County Technical College track with Chris Anderson from the Gary Curtis Driving Experience. Is it Road America? No, it's not. Is it Laguna Seca? Unfortunately, it's not that either. But I'll tell you what it is. It's a 1.3 mile, 14 turn track setup here at Dakota County Technical College that's in the city limits of the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. You can't beat that. I mean, come on, 30 to 45 minute drive maybe to get here. You don't have to worry about spending overnight someplace. For instance, if you go to Road America, that's what you need to do. Here you can get up in the morning, come out, do the track tour, spend all day at the track, still be home for dinner with your wife. You can't beat that. So I'd like to thank Chris Anderson for that nice tour around this track. And hopefully we'll see you guys out here again soon. See you later. Oh, by the way, if you like the videos, do the normal thing on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, give me the OK sign, that type of thing. We're going to see if we can get some more videos on high performance driving. I think I'm going to go back and see if I can corral maybe one of those instructors and let me into their garage. Maybe give us some of those speed secrets. I'll pass those along to you. Check it out. See you later.